Hello everyone. In the previous lesson, we learned about the concept of surds and the rules of surds. And also, we learned how to reduce surds into their basic form. Now, in this lesson, we are taking that knowledge a step further by learning about similar surds. Surds are said to be similar if they are multiples of common roots. For example, if we have 2 root 3, we have 3 root 3, and we have 5 root 3. These surds are similar since each of them have a multiple of root 3. Now also, if we have root 12 and we say root 27, they are similar surds because each of them in their basic form can be expressed as a multiple of root 3. Now, for example, at this point, we can express 12 as a product of its factors. So we can have that this is root 4 times 3 equal to, this becomes root 4 times root 3. Now, we know that 4 is a perfect square, so root 4 is equal to 2. So therefore, this becomes 2 root 3. Also, we have 27, and 27 can be expressed as a product of its factors. So we have 9 times 3, and at this point, this becomes root of 9 multiplied by root of 3. And 9 is a perfect square, so root 9 is 3. So we have this is 3 multiplied by 3. So at this point, we have found that surds are said to be similar if they are multiples of a common root. Now, let us provide solutions to some questions given to us to strengthen our knowledge. So we are provided with these following questions and we are asked to evaluate them. So let's start with the first. So we have that for the first one, we have that 3 root 2 plus 4 root 2. So since they are similar surds, this can be expressed as 3 plus 4 all multiplied by root 2. And this becomes 7 root 2. So we are able to add up the terms because they are similar surds. Now let's take up number 2 that has multiplication. So for number 2, we have that 2 root 3 multiplied by 5 root 2. Now if you look at the expression, you will find out that they don't have the same radical. Now at this point, the integers will multiply themselves and also the radical will multiply themselves. So this becomes 2 times 5 multiplied by root 3 times root 2. So 2 times 5 is given as 10. So by the rule of surds, this becomes root of 3 times 2. So therefore, we have it that this is equal to 10 multiplied by root 6. Also, for number 3, we have that 4 multiplied by root of 75 minus 3 multiplied by root of 3. So we are dealing with question 3. So this becomes 4 multiplied. We can express 75 as a product of its factors. So we have that 25 times 3 minus 3 root 3. So therefore we have 4 multiplied by root 25 multiplied by root 3 minus 3 root 3. Now 25 is a perfect square. So therefore root of 25 is 5. So we have it that this is 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by root 3 minus 3 root 3. So 4 times 5 is 20. So this becomes 20 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Now at this point, we have similar sort. So this becomes 20 minus 3 all multiplied by root 3. So therefore, we have that this is equal to 17 multiplied by root 3. So also for the fourth question, we have it that 2 multiplied by root 72 plus 3 multiplied by root 18. So the first thing we do here is that we are going to express 72 as a product of its factors and express 18 as a product of its factor. So this becomes 2 multiplied by root of 9 times 8 plus 3 multiplied by root of 9 times 2. So by the multiplication rule of sort, this becomes 2 multiplied by root 9 multiplied by root 8 plus 3 multiplied by root 9 multiplied by root 2. So 9 is a perfect square and root 9 is 3. So we have 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by root 8 plus, also at this point we have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by root 2. Now 2 times 3 is 6, so we have 6 root 8 plus 3 times 3 is 9, so we have 9 root 2. We are asked to evaluate this, so we can also express 8 as a product of its factors. So we have that the expression now becomes 6 multiplied by 4 times 2 plus 9 multiplied by root 2. And this becomes 6 multiplied by root 4 multiplied by root 2 plus 9 multiplied by root 2. 4 is a perfect square, so root 4 is equal to 2. So we have that this is 2 times 2 times root 2 plus 9 root 2. So therefore, 6 times 2 is 12. We have 12 multiplied by root 2 plus 9 multiplied by root 2. Now we have similar sorts we can add up. So this becomes 12 plus 9 all multiplied by root 2. 12 plus 9 is 21. So therefore, this is equal to 21 multiplied by root 2. Thank you so much for watching. Now that you have understand similar sorts, the next lesson is rationalization of sorts, where I will show you how to handle sorts in the denominator. So if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and share it so that others can learn. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.